Beslan Isaev in the black and yellow.
Touch of gloves immediately. Halmi opens up with a right low kick.
Isaev, 11 TKO wins, 10 submission wins. It doesn't get more well-rounded than that. His wrestling is spot on as well. A lot of pressure on him though here tonight. As soon as he entered that building, he was hounded.
It's not just his wrestling in terms of when he goes forward, it's his counter wrestling that's so good as well. Really excellent takedown and throws when the opponent attacks. The grappling of Viktor Halmi does leave a fair bit of space when he's working in top position, so going to be interesting to see what happens here. I venture Isaev might try and keep this standing though.
Oh, Isaev finding an opening. Crowd responding. A good head kick, right hand there from Isaev. Good combinations. Looking to settle in, find a rhythm. Oh yeah, I think we just heard that hit the cup.
Yeah, slightly awry inside kick, but Beslan Isaev showing some really good intent to use strikes to get in range and then land some pretty devastating knees.
Yeah, double right hand to close the distance from Isaev.
And I think you can see a little bit of uncertainty in the defensive guard of Viktor Halmi during those exchanges.
Yeah, Isaev is very clinical with everything. Viktor Halmi needs to stay mobile, needs to be aware at all times, really concentrated and stop moving back in straight lines like he's doing, because he's going to get that space closed up. Isaev is an intelligent fighter, that's better, good counter. Oh, and good knees there from Isaev. He just makes himself look so big.
Yeah, and very good condition clearly as well. And he's been doing this for so long, operating at such a high level on the European circuit.
Yeah, Isaev with little motioning feints to open up just the tiniest gaps. Halmi is durable. Oh, that right hand is really piercing through that guard.
Yeah, what I've always liked about Isaev is he's so calculated, I think, as I said in the walkout, with his shots. His power shots are very picked and chosen. They're not wasted energy, and they're not often overcommitted as well.
We saw that earlier with another Chechen fighter, Hussein Kaliev. Oh, good head kick, and again, head kick, right hand.
Good knees coming into the body now.
Yeah, that's a deep.
Oh, and Halmi finally doing something good, but a guillotine locked in, and I think he's in deep. Oh, and
that is a tap. Beslan Isaev sets this place alight with a submission finish. Viktor Halmi was really forced to try it out in the wrestling exchanges, but fell in to the submission of Beslan Isaev. Guillotine choke finishes it here early tonight, and the crowd respond very positively indeed. The fighting pride of Chechnya wins in his backyard. Big right hands, those knees were really getting through. They were hurting to the body. That one was making Halmi wince. Another one right through the middle. It kind of forced the situation really, but he went too straight in, left his neck susceptible, and Isaev jumped all over it. Sunk it in, got the tap, job done. And there is the victorious Beslan Isaev. Goes 24-6 in his career. Let's throw it over to Joe and make it all official.
Ladies and gentlemen, comes officially 3 minutes, 27 seconds, round number 1, submission by guillotine choke. Your winner from Grozny, Chechnya, Beslan Isaev!
scramble there as Josh goes across the cage. He wants to have a few words with the winner and the crowd favourite. Here's Josh.
I hear that winner, Beslan Isaev. Beslan, talk us through the submission finish. Let us know about the guillotine at the end.
Начало уже есть. Давай подойдем к концу. Most important, I won.
What is it like fighting in front of this crowd with this kind of support?
Что для тебя означает бороться с такой поддержкой в такой обстановке? Поддержка выше уровня. Support for just outstanding.
You've been fighting in Europe for a long time. What is it like to have Cage Warriors finally come to Chechnya and to fight on this show?
Ты уже довольно давно занимаешься этим видом спорта. Что для тебя означает то, что данное мероприятие проходит, Cage Warriors проходит в Грозном, Чеченской республике, на твоей земле?
Для нас это большое событие. Я хочу поблагодарить организатора этого турнира. Спасибо, что сделали такой подарок для нас всех.
For us, it's a very big event, so I would like to say, first of all, thank all organizers and everyone who was involved in the organizing of this tournament.
Well, it's been a pleasure watching you fight. I can't wait to see you come back and put on another great performance on this show. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Beslan Isaev!
Я тебя отдельно благодарю за такой прекрасный бой и за прекрасное шоу. Спасибо, Beslan Isaev!